Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is such a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is, Paul. I am feeling very full of energy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling good. A little bit thoughtful, but good.
Thoughtful. That sounds interesting.
Yes. I was thinking about our topic for today. It is a very special topic.
It is. Today, we are talking about dreams and goals.
And the most important thing, stopping the wait.
Yes, the title of today's chat is Stop Waiting, Start Building Your Life Today.
I love that title. Start building your life. It sounds strong.
It is strong, but before we start building, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you like learning English with us, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Mr. English channel. It helps us a lot.
And share this episode with a friend. Maybe a friend who has a big dream.
Yes, share it with a dreamer. Okay, Paul, are you ready?
I am ready. So, Emily, stop waiting. What does that mean to you?
Well, Paul, we all have things we want to do.
Yes, like learning English?
Exactly. Or getting a new job, or traveling, or learning to cook.
Or buying a house?
Yes, big things and small things. But often we just wait.
We wait. Why do we wait?
We wait for the perfect time.
Ah, the perfect time. I know this feeling.
You do?
Yes. I often say, I will go to the gym when I have new shoes.
Oh, Paul, you don't need new shoes to walk.
I know, but I tell myself, wait for the shoes.
And then?
Then I get the shoes. But then I say, it is raining. I will wait for the sun.
I see. There's always a reason to wait.
Yes, always. It is a trap.
It is a trap because the perfect time does not exist.
It doesn't?
No, there is no perfect day. There is only today.
Only today. That is a little scary, Emily.
Why is it scary?
Because today is messy. Today I am tired. Today I am busy.
I understand. But if you wait until you are not tired or not busy, you will wait forever.
That is true. Life is always busy.
Exactly. So we must start, even if we are busy, even if we are tired.
Okay, so we stop waiting. But how do we start?
We start small, very, very small.
Small is good. I like small steps.
Imagine you want to build a house, a big, beautiful house.
Okay, I am imagining it. It has a big red door.
Lovely. Do you build the whole house in 1 hour?
No, that is impossible.
Right. You lay one brick. Just one.
One brick. That is easy.
And then, the next day, you lay another brick.
And slowly, the house grows.
Yes, your life is the house, and your actions are the bricks.
I like this picture. So, for our listeners, what is a brick?
Good question. A brick is a small action.
Can you give us an example?
Sure, let's talk about English.
Okay, my favorite subject.
Many people want to speak fluent English. That is the big house.
Yes, it is a big goal.
And sometimes they wait. They say, I will study when I have free time.
But they never have free time.
Exactly. So they should lay a brick today.
What is the brick?
The brick is listen to one podcast.
Like this one.
Yes. If you were listening to us, you are laying a brick.
Wow! Good job, everyone. You are building your house right now.
See? It is not so hard. Or learn 5 new words.
Just 5?
Yes, 5 words today, 5 words tomorrow. In a year, that is a lot of words.
That is true. It adds up.
But Paul, there's another reason people wait.
Oh, what is it?
Fear.
Fear? You mean being scared?
Yes, being afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of failing. Afraid of making a mistake.
Oh, yes, I understand that. No one wants to make a mistake.
Paul, remember what we said in our last episode?
Mistakes are our friends?
Yes, you remembered.
I did, but it is still hard. If I want to start a new business, I am scared to lose money.
Of course, that is natural. But hear this. You can be scared and do it anyway.
Do it anyway.
Yes, you do not have to be brave first. You can be scared and still take the first step.
So I can shake with fear, but still open the door?
Exactly. Action cures fear.
Action cures fear. I need to write that down. That is very wise, Emily.
It is true. When you start doing the thing, the fear gets smaller.
Because you're busy doing it. You don't have time to be scared.
Yes, the waiting is the scary part. The doing is the fun part.
I like that. The doing is the fun part.
So, Paul, do you have a dream? Something you are waiting for?
Well, I have always wanted to learn to play the guitar.
The guitar. Wow, Paul, that is cool.
Thanks, but I don't have a guitar.
Ah, you are waiting for the guitar.
Yes, and guitar lessons are expensive, so I wait.
Okay, let's stop waiting. How can you start today without a guitar?
Without a guitar? I don't know. Air guitar?
Air guitar is fun, but no. You can watch a video about guitars.
A video?
Yes, learn the names of the strings. Learn about the music.
I can do that on my computer for free.
Yes, that is a brick.
And maybe I can ask my friend. He has an old guitar.
See? You can borrow a guitar.
I never thought of that. I can ask him today.
Yes, ask him today. Don't wait for someday.
Someday. We say that word a lot. I will do it someday.
Paul, look at the calendar.
Okay, I am looking.
Do you see the day someday?
No, I see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Exactly. Someday is not a day of the week.
Wow, that is powerful. Someday is not a day of the week.
If you say, I will do it someday, you will never do it.
So I must say, I will do it on Tuesday.
Yes, put it on the calendar. Make an appointment with your dream.
An appointment with my dream. Like a doctor's appointment?
Yes, you don't miss the doctor. Don't miss your dream.
That is very good advice.
Thank you. It helps me too. Sometimes I am lazy.
You? Lazy? No.
Yes, I am. Sometimes I just want to sit on the sofa and watch TV.
Me too. The sofa's very comfortable.
It is, but the sofa does not build my life.
No, the sofa just holds my back.
So I have a rule.
What is your rule?
The 5-minute rule.
Ooh, I like rules. Tell me.
If I don't want to do something, I say, I will just do it for 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes? That is very short.
Yes, I say, I will write for 5 minutes, or I will exercise for 5 minutes.
And then what happens?
Usually, after 5 minutes, I don't want to stop.
Really?
Yes, starting is the hardest part. Once I start, I feel good.
So the rule is just to trick your brain to start.
Exactly. It's a trick, a good trick.
I will try the 5-minute rule with my guitar practice.
Do it. Just 5 minutes.
Emily, what about the people who say it is too late?
Too late?
Yes, I am too old, or I missed my chance.
Oh, Paul, it is never, ever too late.
Never?
Never. As long as you are here, you can build.
That is nice to hear.
You can start a new career at 50. You can learn English at 70.
My grandmother started painting at 80.
Wow, really?
Yes, and she is very happy. She paints flowers.
That is beautiful. See, she did not wait. She started building.
She is building a colorful life.
Yes, and that is what we want for all our listeners.
A colorful life. A big, happy life.
But you have to pick up the first brick today.
Not tomorrow.
No, today. Even a small thing.
Okay, I am motivated. I'm going to call my friend about the guitar after this show.
That is great, Paul. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Emily. Talking with you always helps me.
Talking helps, and sharing plans helps.
Yes, when you tell a friend, you have to do it.
Exactly. So, to our listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know your dreams.
In the comments below, tell us what is one thing you want to build in your life.
Is it a new job, a new skill, a healthy body?
Tell us, and tell us what small step will you take today.
Yes. Will you read one page? Will you walk for 10 minutes?
We want to read your comments. We want to cheer for you.
We are your biggest fans.
We are. We believe in you. You can do it.
Stop waiting. Start building.
Perfect. Well, Paul, I think that is all for today.
Yes, it was a wonderful conversation. I feel ready to go.
Me too. Thank you, everyone, for listening.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Talk channel.
And click that like button if you feel motivated today.
And share this with your friends. Let's all build together.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a wonderful, active day.
Bye, everyone. Start today.
Bye-bye.